Alright, number one, focusing on improving the muting with the index finger. So yeah, when you get up to the basically the even number bars, make sure your index finger is up underneath that low E. So this, you're going to hit both strings at the same time to make sure that you're muting correctly. So once you start feeling comfortable with moving your fingers around like that, do some different speeds here you can follow along with. So here it is at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, you will hear some percussive sounds doing that, and that's okay. The fretted string should ring out much, much louder and be more obvious. 80 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 120. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2, additional muting stuff. So you're going to have your index finger just resting on all the strings, only putting pressure on the low E, or at least enough pressure to hear a note, and barely touching the other the other strings there. So you're muting 5, fretting 1, and you have big strums. Make sure you're hitting every single thing. Make sure you're not hearing like 2 or 3 strings ringing out. So just be the one. So a common thing I could see happening is you end up fretting too hard and hearing both the E and A strings, so you just want to be careful of that. Alright, so once you start feeling comfortable doing this without a metronome, let's go over some more speeds here so you can follow along with this. Alright, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll probably find you'll need to make small little adjustments with your index finger as you do that. Totally fine. It would be unreasonable to expect yourself to have your hand in the correct position every single moment in every different place on the fretboard. So as you move from fret to fret, you'll have to make little adjustments. All right. So first and third finger the whole time, and pick a note, slide the chord. So hold down the chord shape the whole time. So let's go through the same speeds again. And so yeah, play it without the metronome first. Just get comfortable with what it is you're supposed to play, and then when you're ready, follow along. 1, 2, 60 beats per minute. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundred. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 20. 1. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.